Welcome back. More now on that march in London today, demanding a ban on some pesticides to protect the country's bee population. Well, the number of bees in England is falling faster than anywhere else in Europe. DEFRA estimates a fall of about 50% since the 1980s. A number of factors have all had a big effect on bee populations, including climate change, pesticides and attacks by the parasitic varroa mite. Yet bees are responsible for pollinating 80% of our crops, and a third of all our food depends on their work. Without them, crops would shrink and our food choices would be severely limited. And in our central London studio is Nick von Westenholz. He's president of the Crop Protection Association, which represents the plant science and pesticides industry. Good morning to you. Tell us about this pesticide, neonicotinoid. How dangerous is it? What does it do?
Well, I think it's worth saying at the outset that the broad aims of the campaign to protect bee health are something which I think everybody in the farming agricultural sector would share. As you've said, bees and pollinators are absolutely crucial to farming and crucial to the industry. The industry has a vested interest in making sure that bee health is protected. So we absolutely will work to ensure that bee health is protected.
But is this neonicotinoid, is that detrimental to bee health?
Well, there is no evidence whatsoever that in the field, i.e. in real life, when farmers are using these products, that they are detrimental to bee health. The studies that have been laboratory-based have shown some impact. I don't think that's surprising. They are insecticides after all. But out in the field, and DEFRA's own studies have not shown any evidence of this. There is no effect being shown on bee health in real life.
We've heard from a bee farmer this morning. Our reporter is on site with him, and he was saying that if a bee exits the hive and comes back with this particular pesticide on its body, it kills the whole hive.
Well, I don't think the evidence actually shows that. It doesn't show that. And the British Beekeepers Association itself do not support the ban. That's his experience.
I mean, he says that this is what he has experienced.
Well, the British Beekeepers Association, which represents bee farmers, amateur bee farmers in the UK, does not support a ban because they do not believe that the evidence shows a significant effect in the field, in real life, from these products. And you have to also bear in mind that these products are incredibly important. They are very useful, very beneficial products which allow us to produce a safe and affordable supply of food. And you've pointed out that a loss of bees and pollinators would have a severe impact on UK food production, which it would. But also a loss of these insecticides, of these products, would also have an impact on food production in the UK. So calling for a ban of these insecticides when there's no evidence to show any ill effects
What if the vote in Brussels on Monday goes in favour of a ban? Will you change your opinion then?
Well, we wouldn't change our opinion because the evidence as it is today would still be the evidence as it is on Monday. But of course, we will watch with interest how the vote goes in Brussels on Monday.
OK, Nick von Westenholz, President of the Crop Protection Association, thank you.